Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the C translation feature to your Instagram bio. This is a great way to make your profile accessible. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you're here, you have to simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. To enable the C translation feature, you need to include text in your bio that is in a language other than the one you normally use. For example, if your Instagram is in English, try adding a sentence or a few words in Spanish, French, German, or any other language. So for that, simply tap on Edit Profile. This is where you can change your bio, profile picture, and other details. Simply tap on Bio. Once you have added the text, simply tap on the check mark to apply the changes to your profile. So now I will view it from a second profile. And that's it. We have successfully added the C translation feature to your Instagram bio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.